How to see 2025 YouTube recap. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for YouTube and make sure the YouTube application is updated to its latest version for the app to perform smoothly and for the app to have all its latest features. If not, then go ahead and update the application. Once updated, go ahead and open your preferred browser. For now, I will open Google. Now, in the search bar, search for youtube.com/recap. You will then be led to this type of interface. Here you will see the option for Open YouTube. Just in case if you don't see the option for Open YouTube, then you might need to sign yourself in firstly. So, once you see the Open YouTube option there, tap on the Open YouTube option and you will be led to the YouTube app. And now in this particular interface, you will be able to view your 2025 YouTube recap. The recap basically is your YouTube's yearly summary, which shows your top watched videos, top creators, top music artists and songs, and your total watch time along with your unique recap moods and personalized playlist just for you. You can also then go ahead and download the recap of your choice, or you can also tap on the share option you see there and share your YouTube recap with your friends or family. So this was about how you can see YouTube recap in 2025. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.